Third type of spread strategies are box spread. Now, box spread strategy is a combination of bull call spread and bear put spread. So if all options are European, a box spread, what is the value of a box spread? Its worth is the present value of difference between the strike prices. How do you create this strategy, box strategy? If market price of box spread is too low, it will be profitable to buy the box. In case of a box strategy, the strategy is buying a call with K1 strike price, buying a put with strike price K2, selling a call with strike price K2, and selling a put with strike price K1. So you buy a call and a put and sell a call and a put. And this is how you create a box. And what will be the present value of the box? It will be the difference between the strike prices. So difference between the K1 and K2 and its present value, taking its present value into consideration. That is what is the worth or value of a box. So fourth type of spread strategies are butterfly spread option strategies. So we create a butterfly spread. Now, how do we create a butterfly spread? In case of a butterfly spread, we buy a call option with relatively low strike price. It's a low strike price, so K1, let's say. Buying another call option with relatively high strike price. So there's another strike price K3, which is the highest one. And then sell two call option with a strike price which is halfway between K2 and which is halfway between K1 and K2. So there is K1, K3 and K2. So there are three strike prices. So you have a long position in this, have a long position in this, and sell two short positions here, short calls. So you have the payoffs for all the four scenarios. Now you have to see that if the spot price is going beyond K3, or is it going beyond K1, less than K1, or it is lying between K1 and K3. Now in this scenario, if you see, if the price goes beyond K3, total payoff comes out to be 0. If the price goes less than K1, payoff is 0. Where do you have, so if the price will lie between K1 and K3, right, then you will have some profit. So butterfly spread strategy, basically what it does is that it will help, if you know the lower limit and upper limit for the underlying asset, that this stock price will not go beyond this lower and the upper limit. It will lie somewhere in between. But you do not know it can go in which direction. You do not know whether it will go towards K3 or towards K1. But you know the broader range. And there are option contracts available. Then you can create a butterfly spread strategy using call options only. So you take 4 positions in the call options and you can maximize your profits. So here we can take this example. So there's a call option price on $61 stock where $10 for a strike of 55, $7 is the premium price for a $60 strike, and $5 is a premium for 65. So there are 3 prices. K1 is equal to 55, K2 is 60 and K3 is 65. The investor could create a butterfly spread by buying one call with 55. So he has a long call for 55 and a long call for 65, and then 2 short calls for K2. Now, if the price will lie between the spot price, now we have to see what is the spot price. if the spot price will lie between K1 and K3, there will be some profit. But if the price will lie beyond K1 and K3, net payoff will be 0. So if the price, let's say, lies between, if the price is 61. Now, if the price is 61, which is between 60 and 65, right? So in that case, what will happen? Payoff from the first long call. So first long call was for K1 for 55. So long call means you have the right to buy, and so would you like to buy it from the market at 61 or at 55? So the option contract will be exercised. So 61 minus 55, it is plus 6. Payoff from the second long call. Now this option contract, whether you will exercise the option contract or buy it from the market, so you will buy it from the market, so option contract will not be exercised. So this will not be exercised, but the short call from the two calls which you have sold, they will be exercised. So $1 is the loss on each. So $2 is your total loss from the short call. So 6 minus 2 is 4. And then you also adjust these premium prices, 10, 7 and 5. That will be your net payoff. Similarly, we can try it for, let's say, if the price lies between, if the price is 58, between K1 and K2. So what will be the payoff? So it is spot price 58 minus 55. So $3 will be your profit. So how do we show it graphically? This is how we show butterfly spread graphically. This strategy is appropriate for an investor who feels that large stock price movements are unlikely. So when the investor understands that the price will not go beyond K1 and K3, then butterfly spread leads to profit if stock price stays close to K2, but gives rise to small loss if there is significant stock price movement in either direction. There will be losses which will be small losses, but you can maximize your profit if the price will lie somewhere in between K1 and K3. So this is how you create a butterfly spread using put options. Next is calculation.